Hello and welcome to the Crestron Home OS Summer and Fall Update Keynote, your place to learn about all our latest OS innovations. For over 50 years, Crestron has been a trusted partner to professional integrators like you, providing innovative and reliable smart home solutions around the world. We understand the unique challenges you face in delivering extraordinary experiences for your clients. That's why we're constantly refining and improving the Crestron Home OS, the most powerful and flexible smart home platform on the market, whilst building the highest quality hardware to be the backbone of every home you design. With the latest Crestron Home updates coming to you this summer and fall, we're doubling down on our proven commitment to you. These updates are all about refinement, focus, and unwavering dedication to your success. So let's get started. Joining me today is John Johanna. He's the Vice President of Residential here at Crestron. And before we dive into all the latest updates, I would like to acknowledge the incredible work that you and your team do in constant collaboration with our professional dealers. Many, if not all, of our latest features were inspired by direct feedback right from the field. And it brings us a great sense of achievement to deliver on that feedback, knowing we're delivering what our customers are asking us for.
Thank you, Michael. It's great to be here. I'm excited to share the latest advancements of the Crestron Home OS with our valued partners. Crestron Home is the most powerful and flexible smart home platform on the market. It provides homeowners with complete control over their lighting, climate, entertainment, security, and more, all from a single intuitive interface. Continuous evolution is one of the key benefits of Crestron Home. And as the lives and homes of your customers change and grow, so does their smart home software. We're constantly adding new features and enhancements to meet their needs, all at no additional cost to them or to our dealers. Free updates ensure that your clients always have the most modern smart home technology and get the best value for their investment.
John, you and I have both mentioned now that these updates today aim to heavily support our dealers. I know you're extremely passionate about this topic that goes way beyond just OS updates. Can you summarize what Crestron Home empowers our dealers to do and what our commitment to the industry is right now?
Sure, Michael. Crestron Home OS empowers dealers to create exceptional smart home experiences for their clients. It's scalable, customizable, and reliable. It gives you all the tools to deliver projects on time and within budget. Plus, our extensive training and support resources give you the knowledge and experience to succeed. This is part of our promise to you, the promise of unwavering commitment to the dealer network and to the professional smart home space.
Thanks, John. I personally love that. It's really, really clear that our commitment is with the professional channel, our pros that make the smart home magic happen. So look, now let's get into it. I'm really excited to now take a closer look at all of the exciting new features coming this summer and fall to the Crestron Home OS. The first section of the latest OS updates focuses on enhancements to programming and configuration. To demonstrate some of these new features, we're going to hand it over to Doug Jacobson, our Senior Director of Product Management Software Platforms.
I'm delighted to announce that Crestron Home OS now supports powerful if-then conditional logic. Now more than ever, you can solve your clients' automation needs without ever leaving the comfort and simplicity of Crestron Home. Conditional logic lets you solve complex and nuanced automation scenarios. Simply define specific conditions that must be met for an action to occur during a sequence. And you can also define an alternate action if that condition is not met. This can create a dynamic experience that flows perfectly with your client's lifestyle. There are lots of places where you might find it helpful to use conditionals. For example, you can automatically turn on an exhaust fan based on the humidity level. You can prevent motorized shades from closing if they're over a door and that door happens to be open. Or you can use conditionals to adjust what happens when an occupancy sensor detects motion. For instance, maybe you want the lights to turn on nice and low if someone gets up in the middle of the night. In fact, let's walk through that example right now. I'm going to start by creating a variable to keep track of whether it's currently bedtime or not. A variable in Crestron Home is an element that can take on different values. Since I only care if it's either bedtime or not bedtime, I can use a true-false variable. And since this variable relates to the bedroom, I'll put it in that room so it's easy for me to find later. Next, I need to decide how the bedtime variable gets set to true or false. Variables are nice because their values can be changed in lots of different ways. To keep it simple for this example, I'm going to use scheduled events to set bedtime to true every day at 10 p.m. and then set it to false every morning at sunrise. As you'll see later, it doesn't really matter whether 10 p.m. and sunrise are the actual times your client goes to bed or wakes up. It simply establishes the time frame where this nighttime behavior makes sense. Variable values can be changed inside quick actions using sequences. So I will create two quick actions, one to set the bedtime variable to true and another to set it to false. Later, I will use scheduled events to trigger these quick actions. I've created the first quick action called go to bed already, but let's create the second one together. In the bedroom, I'll create a quick action called wake up and set the mode to sequence. Then inside the bedroom, I find the variables folder, and there's my bedtime variable. In the case of a variable, the only thing I can do in a sequence is set its value. And since this is the wake up quick action, of course, I'm going to set the bedtime to false. So now in the bedroom, I have two quick actions, go to bed and wake up. The first sets the bedtime variable to true, and the other sets it to false. So far, so good. Next, we'll want to trigger these quick actions based on time of day using scheduled events. Again, to save time, I've done some of this already. So you'll see I have two scheduled events created, one called nighttime and the other called morning. The nighttime event occurs at 10 p.m., and all it does is run the go to bed quick action. The morning event occurs at sunrise, and you guessed it, runs the wake up quick action. So let's recap where we are. We have a true-false variable in the bedroom called bedtime. We have two quick actions also in the bedroom to set the value of this variable. And then we created scheduled events to trigger these quick actions at 10 p.m. and sunrise, respectively. With that out of the way, we can make the real magic happen. In this home, there's an occupancy sensor in the bathroom. Right now, that sensor simply turns the lights in the bathroom off when someone leaves the room. But now we're going to have it also turn the lights on nice and low when someone walks in late at night. To do this, from the Actions and Events tab, I go to the bathroom, find the occupancy sensor, and then select the occupancy event. Set the mode to sequence. Notice there's a new if icon at the top of the actions list for sequences. We use this to create an if-then-else conditional. So I'll click that, and you'll see a window appear allowing me to define the condition that will be tested whenever the sequence is run. In our case, that condition could just be the state of the bedtime variable. But let's be a little more clever than that and make sure that both the bedtime variable is true and the bathroom lights are off. Why also check that the bathroom lights are off? Well, this way, if someone had deliberately turned the lights on, you don't wind up with a scenario where walking into the room actually turns the lights down. Instead, we only want the sensor to turn the lights on if they're already completely off. We use the expression editor to create a complex condition that checks more than one thing. And we use the AND operator to say that all the conditions in the expression must be true in order for the entire condition to be considered true. Click OK once it looks right. I've already created a lighting scene in the bathroom called low. We're going to use that scene here. So inside the if statement, we're going to trigger that scene. This will generate just enough light for us to see, but not enough to blind us when our eyes are accustomed to the dark. And voila, a super smart occupancy sensor. all done with the power of the latest Crestron Home OS. This is just one example of how conditional logic can create helpful and personalized automations. With the flexibility of Crestron Home OS, the possibilities are just about endless. While conditionals may be one of the most transformational new features introduced in Crestron Home, I want to mention a few more that will help you deliver better and more tailored experiences to your clients. First up is adjustable lighting raise and lower rates. Since launch, Crestron Home has used a 3-second raise-lower rate, which works well for most people, but some will prefer a slower rate. And now you can accommodate them. To change this behavior, click the gear icon to open settings and click on System Configuration. Then Lighting and Keypad Settings. The lighting raise and lower rate can be found at the bottom of the page and can be set to between 1 and 10 seconds. Your new fade rate is automatically applied, making for easy client acceptance testing. So that's it. You're done. Next, we're excited to bring a subtle yet important improvement to third-party keypad support when using the Crestron Universal Keypad Interface, which some of you may know by its model name, C2N Uni 8 IO. This handy device effectively lets you turn third-party keypads that use basic contact closure button presses into native Crested keypads. Cool! Crestron Home OS now simplifies setup and documentation of the C2N Uni 8 IO by allowing you to apply text labels for up to 8 virtual buttons to represent the buttons on those third-party devices. This is supported both in the Crestron Home Setup app as well as in the cloud-based Crestron Home Configurator. And in the Crestron Home Configurator, you can generate action reports to further document keypad configurations, saving time and ensuring accuracy. And finally, while we're on the topic of third-party device integrations, the latest Crestron Home OS updates bring an important improvement when working with Sonos soundbars. Crestron Home OS will explicitly instruct these Sonos devices to switch between TV audio and streaming music based on the source selection in Crestron Home. So users can transition between different audio sources, from Apple TV to music or even breakaway audio, without needing to first turn off and then turn back on the room to trigger the auto switching built into the Sonos soundbars. It all adds up to a more intuitive and enjoyable audio experience. Well, I've covered a lot, from the power of conditionals to the simple customization of adjustable lighting fade rates, to third-party keypad and Sonos integration improvements, and of course, all that just scratches the surface of what the newest version of Crestron Home OS brings. Now, back to Michael and John.
Well, John, first of all, if-then logic finally in the Crestron Home OS.
It's big news, Michael. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for our dealers and their clients. Conditional logic allows dealers to enhance the experience in multiple ways. First of all, they can increase automation. Dealers can automate more aspects of their clients' homes, creating an effortless, natural experience that flows with their clients' lifestyles. Secondly, it allows for enhanced customization by tailoring the automation to each client's unique needs and preferences. Without boundaries, it allows for improved efficiency. Dealers can pre-configure sequences in the cloud for quick and easy deployment, saving time and effort. We've also simplified the troubleshooting by enabling testing and debugging sequences in the cloud before deployment and reducing the need for on-site troubleshooting. It helps dealers streamline their workflow. You can utilize the user-friendly interface in the Crestron Home Setup app for efficient configuration and management.
It really sounds like a win-win for both dealers and customers, right?
It really is. With conditional logic, our dealers can create smart home experiences that are personalized and intelligent. This will undoubtedly lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty to the dealer and to Crestron.
So conditional logic is a powerful addition to the Crestron Home OS, and we're really excited to see how you use it for your clients. But that's not all. Doug introduced how important it is to continue to update and support the wider ecosystem. He spoke about third-party keypads as well as Sonos just now.
Crestron Home's open ecosystem is crucial because it empowers dealers and integrators to seamlessly integrate with a wide range of third-party devices and services, expanding the possibilities for customization and creating personalized experiences for our clients. This open approach allows for greater flexibility and compatibility with existing systems. It also keeps Crestron Home on the forefront of the smart home revolution with the ability to leverage the latest technology. Even these small additions are huge in supporting our channel.
Great, thank you, John. So look, let's look at two more new exciting features that further enhance our programming capabilities.
Absolutely, Michael. First up, we have Crestron Home Simple Modules coming this fall. Crestron Home Simple Modules for lighting are a powerful feature that enable complete integration of the Crestron Home OS lighting configuration with custom Crestron control processors programmed via Simple. This lets you leverage the speed and simplicity of Crestron Home lighting while maintaining the flexibility and customization of simple programming for projects that require a custom solution. Crestron Home Simple Modules for lighting allows you to do a number of things. First of all, simplify integration, which eliminates complex custom coding for your lighting solutions and allows you to easily integrate Crestron Home lighting with custom control processors using pre-created simple modules. It enhances flexibility by enabling you to create custom solutions for unique project requirements while still benefiting from the robust features of Crestron Home. You can reduce development time so that you can streamline the development process and save time with built-in modules to focus on delivering exceptional client experiences. This is a game changer for dealers who wish to simplify custom projects. It's the best of both worlds, the intuitive control of Crestron Home lighting with the flexibility of simple programming.
Fantastic. And what about the Crestron Home Environmental Summary Report? All dealers know the hassle of heading to a site you don't exactly remember when all you need is to pull up and print a report with all the details.
Yeah, exactly. It's another valuable addition to the Crestron Home OS. The report provides comprehensive overview of the system's environmental controls, all the lighting scenes, shade scenes, quick actions, loads, sensors, and keypads. The Crestron Home Environmental Summary Report is a powerful tool for service technicians and support personnel. By providing a comprehensive overview of the system's configuration, the report enables technicians to quickly understand a system, identify potential issues, and provide efficient and effective support to customers. It's a valuable tool for anyone who needs to understand and manage a Crestron Home system. It provides a wealth of information in a clear and concise format, making it easy to find the information that you need.
These are both fantastic additions to the Crestron Home OS, a great example of giving dealers more tools to deliver and support their smart home projects. With that in mind, we have another feature update, again due this fall. As a dealer, managing a fleet of Crestron Home systems can be really challenging, especially as your business grows. That's why we're excited to introduce significant enhancements to the Crestron Home Chooser. Now, fleet management will be easier and more efficient than ever before.
These updates are designed to save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what you do best, delivering an experience for your clients that you're proud to call home. The Home Chooser has been optimized for speed, even when managing hundreds of Crestron Home systems. This ensures you quick access to your client's systems no matter the size of your fleet, making Crestron Home the easiest platform to manage and support your projects. The Home Chooser's powerful new search function lets you quickly and easily find specific systems based on keywords or criteria, even when searching a large number of clients.
So how will these improvements directly benefit our dealers then?
These updates streamline fleet management, saving dealers valuable time and effort. With the optimized speed and enhanced search functionality, they can easily manage their client systems, regardless of the size of their fleet. That way, dealers can focus on delivering high-level service and growing their business.
Right, so the Home Chooser really is focused on delivering that improved efficiency and, of course, enhancing client relationships that ultimately drive business and revenue growth. This really is just another opportunity for us to give you more tools and more resources that help you succeed. Here at Crestron, we build technology that's powerful, intuitive, and a pleasure to use. And we've continued to enhance all of that in our latest updates. Now, it's easier and more satisfying for your clients to interact with their smart homes. These enhancements range from subtle improvements to major overhauls, all designed to make the Crestron home experience smoother, more intuitive, and more personalized. Now, let's go to Giorgio to hear about some of these exciting new features.
When it comes to smart home integration, homeowner preferences are a top priority. At Crestron, we put the user experience first with flexible, reliable technology that becomes a natural part of their lifestyle. The latest Crestron Home updates are packed with some very exciting features that enhance that user experience, making the smart home even more convenient and enjoyable. So let's jump in. Our first stop is right here at the front door. We've improved door lock integration and are introducing a new user management feature. This grants you the ability to manage a person's access to specific door locks. For example, I could set my door entry code to 1234 and my housekeeper's side door entry code to 5678. This ensures a person can only access where you want them to. This is ideal for families, rental properties, and any other situation where you need to control access to your home. We're starting with the Yale EX door locks, and shortly after, we're introducing a new driver type to add even more door lock brands to Crestron Home. Next, let's take a look at some features coming to our touchscreens. First up, we have PIN code protection. This feature enables you to lock down specific touchscreens throughout your home. This extra layer of security means only people who know the PIN can access and control the Crestron Home system. PIN code protection is ideal for families with children or homes that are frequently entertaining guests. It gives you peace of mind knowing that your smart home system can only be controlled by the people you want. One of my favorite features that we're announcing is room-to-room calling and paging replies. These features will make it easy to communicate with family members and guests throughout the home. Room-to-room calling enables direct communication between Crestron touchscreens, and paging replies allows you to respond directly to a page from another room. And this is built right into where you already control your smart home. No need for a discrete intercom system mounted on your walls. This is a great way to stay connected even when you're in different parts of the house. And the best part? If your system is updated and already has existing X60, X70, or a TST 1080 series touchscreen, you will get this awesome functionality at no cost. And last but not least, garage door driver updates. To enhance the user experience, Crestron Home OS now integrates with the MyQ driver for Chamberlain and LiftMaster garage doors with Wi-Fi connectivity into the house access area of the app. Now you have a view of garage doors, gates, and locks all in one convenient place. This is just one of those quality of life improvements that make controlling the security of your home convenient rather than a chore. Of course, these are just a few of the latest user features coming to Crestron Home OS. To learn more, visit us at crestronhome.com. Back to you, Michael and John.
That was such a great overview of the user experience enhancements from Giorgio. John, this update does a lot to enhance the user experience and provides significant benefits for our dealers and their clients. Now, out of those features that we just heard, which one is your favorite and why?
Well, that's a tough question, Michael. I really like all of them, but if I had to choose one, I would say the improved lock integration with the user management. Dealers have been asking us for this for a long time, and I think it offers the most significant benefit for both homeowners and the dealers.
I love that choice. It's really, really a powerful feature that's got so much more potential. It'll be exciting to see how it evolves and benefits our clients in the future. In today's competitive market, branding is more important than ever. As a marketer, I understand the power of a strong brand and its impact on customer perception and loyalty. That's why I'm really excited to introduce a marketing-led feature coming to the operating system, something we've simply called in-app branding. In-app branding allows you to create a personalized and professional experience for your clients whilst also boosting your brand recognition. Here are just a few of the key benefits. Increased brand recognition. Your logo will be prominently displayed within the app on all touchscreens, ensuring maximum visibility and brand recognition. Differentiation from your competitors. In a crowded market, it's crucial to stand out. In-app branding allows you to do just that by showcasing your unique brand and value proposition. And finally, scalability. Whether you're working on a single-family home or a large multi-dwelling unit, in-app branding allows you to consistently amplify your brand across all installations. Using in-app branding is really simple. Just load your logo in the Crestron Home app settings under branding, and it will automatically appear across all the TSWs. John, pretty cool feature, right?
Absolutely, Michael. But let's be clear, at Crestron, we see ourselves as partners, not just technology providers. In-app branding is a perfect example of this philosophy. It's about empowering our dealers to take center stage, to build their brand, and deliver a unique experience that reflects their unique value.
I really love this feature. It's really cool. But in fact, dealers can put whatever image they want in that space. It's a branded area to deliver a more custom appearance. So imagine a family crest or even the family's last name on all touch panels. It's just another way you can show your creativity to your clients. As smart homes become more sophisticated, the demand for scalable and robust systems increases. That's why we're excited to introduce our next major feature update, significant enhancements to multiprocessor capabilities.
These enhancements allow you to scale Crestron Home systems to larger and more complex projects, ensuring control and reliability even in the largest of residences, with extensive window treatments and numerous devices. Here are a couple of the key highlights. First off, multiprocessor shade support. This update significantly increases the shade capacity of a Crestron Home system, providing support for a substantially larger number of shades across multiple processors. This enables control of extensive window treatments in grand residences of any size. Secondly, multiprocessor multiple gateway support. More gateways means an expanded network coverage, ensuring reliable communication throughout large and challenging properties. The addition of more gateways enables support for a greater number of Crestron devices, allowing for more comprehensive control and automation. This new feature also allows processors to share gateways, so a device paired to a particular gateway can be available to the entire system.
These enhancements are so important for dealers working on large and complex projects. With increased shade capacity and multiple gateway support, our dealers can now confidently take on the most ambitious projects. They can offer their clients the ultimate in smart home control and automation, regardless of the size or complexity of their residence. This provides greater flexibility, especially for dealers with separate installation teams handling different aspects, such as environmental systems and AV setups. It also accommodates complex construction schedules, allowing for a more streamlined and adaptable workflow. So in addition to being able to create larger systems, we're also excited to be announcing some new products that can integrate into your Crestron Home operating system. So let's hear from Alex next.
Hi, I'm Alex Paris, Vice President of Product. I'm excited to share some exciting new products and integrations coming to the Crestron Home OS. First up, we have native Lutron Ketra integration. This expands the already vast range of lighting options available within the Crestron Home ecosystem. Customers want choices when it comes to lighting, and native Ketra integration reinforces our commitment to an open ecosystem. By keeping the platform open and flexible, customers are free to choose the lighting they want while staying on the industry's leading control platform. Native Ketra integration promises an unparalleled user experience with seamless control within the Crestron Home app and touchscreens. Next, we have the DGE 1000, the digital graphics engine. This innovative product displays the Crestron Home OS interface on third-party touchscreen displays, letting you create larger, more immersive control interfaces for your clients' homes. The DGE 1000 delivers a responsive user interface with impressive graphics and smooth performance. You can even view video sources over the network directly on the touchscreen display. turning the display into more than just a control platform. Some key features are that it's supported in Crestron Home, CH5, and Construct. It has built-in web browsing. It supports on-screen menu applications without a touchscreen. Also, it has an on-screen keyboard. It can support high-speed USB 2.0 for USB HID compliant peripheral devices. It's powered via PoE or with a power pack sold separately. It has full enterprise-grade security, and it's compatible with 4 series control processors. This product is launching later this year, but we already have it ready to go in the Crestron Home OS platform, so you can start to use it in your projects immediately upon shipping. We've seen a lot of exciting updates, but let's talk about an elegant one. Meet our new Horizon glass keypads. These graceful keypads feature a sleek, modern design with white or black glass finishes, adding a touch of sophistication to any home. The Horizon glass keypads integrate flawlessly with Crestron Home OS, providing complete control over lighting, climate, entertainment, and other smart home functions. Just like our other finishes, you can customize the button configurations to meet the specific needs of each client for a personalized, convenient control experience. And just like the DGE, Horizon glass keypads are ready to go in our latest update, and they start shipping in December. Keep an eye out for more details on both products. Now, we recently announced our new Saros PoE speakers, a powerful way to extend and elevate your client's home's entertainment experience. Support for these speakers is also coming to Crestron Home OS, where you'll be able to easily detect and configure them. Leveraging the existing functionality of Crestron Home, dealers can effortlessly add Saros PoE speakers to rooms, further expanding the range of network-connected devices available for installation. And finally, we have an exciting new integration with our partners, Access Industries. The latest update extends our integration capabilities to the hospitality sector through support for Access Industries' privacy service. This integration adds the following Access devices as native InfiniteEX wireless devices: GRM, HCM, HCM ceiling mount, plug-in chime, ADA flasher, and CCMD. You can now introduce popular privacy and service features such as privacy do not disturb and service makeup room functionalities, enhancing the overall guest experience. Or for residential applications, you can even add a plug-in doorbell chime anywhere in the home. Thank you for watching, and to learn more, please visit crestronhome.com.
Some really exciting new products and integrations there. So John, I've got a few questions for you.
Sure.
First of all, what are your thoughts on the native Lutron Ketra integration?
I think it's a fantastic addition to the Crestron Home ecosystem. It opens up a whole new world of lighting possibilities for our customers while still providing them with the industry-leading control platform that they've come to expect from Crestron.
Okay, next up, that DGE 1000 integration. How do you see that impacting Crestron Home installations?
I think the DGE 1000 is a powerful tool for integrators who want to give their clients truly immersive control experience. It allows larger, more interactive touchscreens, which can be a real differentiator in high-end projects.
Okay, and finally, what are your impressions of the brand new Horizon glass keypads?
I just love the new modern look. They're a perfect complement to any contemporary home. More design options are vital for our dealers and the designers they collaborate with, and this is just the start.
And there you have it. Over 20 features bringing major improvements to the way you configure, control, and deliver the best smart homes on the market. John, thank you so much for joining, and thank you for watching.